Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's another video to get the best out of LinkedIn. LinkedIn, being the world's largest professional network, is an awesome platform for professionals to showcase their capabilities and strengths. However, I have seen quite a few of them struggling to set up their profile in a way that it projects this to the prospective recruiters. Here are 5 tips that you should focus on to set it up that it would stand out from the many others that are there on LinkedIn. The first tip is to focus on your header. Within the header, you should set up a professional photograph that you are comfortable projecting you in the right light to prospective recruiters. The second is the summary banner, where I would suggest you put in what you would like the recruiters to see about you or your organization. In my case, I have my brands as well as the mission of my organization. The second part that you should focus on is the summary. In my case, I have kept it very simple and to the point. I have clearly put what I do, which is I am a business transformation consultant, but I've also showcased what is actually my organization all about. So I am transforming businesses to increase their sales and generate revenue using integrated business planning. Please do not just write your designation and the company you work in and leave it blank. This is a place to actually project what is your strength and what your company actually does. The next section is the About section. This is one of the critical parts of a profile which you can maximize to project what you do. I have first introduced what I do and what is my mission statement, what the customer would get out of my organization, what are the key activities we do when we interact with our customers, my contact information, if you're not comfortable, at least your email. I've also clearly mentioned what is our business model and what do we do and how do we go about doing it, as well as a short introduction of my credentials. And finally, some of the major achievements I have in my career, which substantiates the claims I have made to my success. Remember, this part of your profile is the key. This provides 2000 characters, and I would suggest to use as much as you can of this space to your benefit. Please remember to keep things to the point, not long big paragraphs, but as if you could break them into bullet points or short paragraphs is the way to go. The next place to focus on your profile is the featured section. In this section, I have brought forward posts that I have done on LinkedIn, in this case mainly YouTube videos, which have subject matter and expertise based information that showcases what I can do and how I can help people in their business. If you are a candidate, I would suggest to put in articles or presentations that you have done which showcase your capability and expertise. The final section that you should focus on is recommendation. It is invaluable the amount of credibility recommendation gives to the information. As you can see, I have got quite a few recommendations from my colleagues as well as customers. This goes a long way to certify what you have said, as well as give a third-party view of what you are all about. So I would suggest to really focus on this section and gather as much of the recommendation you can to showcase your capability. So in conclusion, you should set up a proper professional photograph. It's preferred to have a profile banner. Focus on your summary to not just have your designation, but also a short introduction to what you do, as this is the top part of your profile and quickly catches the attention and retains people to go forward to read the rest of your profile. The About section, which is the most critical part, Remember to utilize it to the maximum and put in relevant information, also keeping it to the point and not having long descriptive explanations. Feature your best part, whether it's your articles or in my case, my videos, or what you're trying to project yourself to the recruiters. The final and also most important part is to collect as many recommendations as you can to have somebody else certify your credibility and also about your track record. I'm sure you learned something new today to help you improve your business or make you a prospective candidate for recruiters out there. Feel free to reach out to me if I could be of any further assistance. This is Grenville wishing you well.